Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 error code. This error usually appears because Windows Update files are damaged or update services are not working properly. First, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Open Settings from the Start menu. Go to System, then click Troubleshoot. Select Other troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let the tool finish and apply any fixes it finds. Restart your computer and check for updates again. If the error is still there, scan your system files. Click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. Type SFC, Scano, and press Enter. Wait until the scan finishes, then restart your PC. Now we will stop and start Update Services. Click Start and type Services. Open Services from the results. In the list, scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and choose Stop. Next, find the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also called BITS. Right-click it and choose Stop. After stopping the services, we will clear the update cache. Open File Explorer and go to the Windows folder on Drive C. Open the SoftwareDistribution folder and delete all files inside it. Now go back to the Services window. Right-click Windows Update and choose Start. Do the same for the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Restart your computer and check Windows Update. In most cases, the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.